I'm Mike.
I'm Dylan, and we're the Ride Guys. Today we're here at Universal's Islands of Adventure to take you on a tour of Jurassic Park River Adventure.
So if you're ready
to get wet,
then we're ready. Let's
check
ride.
it out.
Shaboom!
'Cause I'm coming for the crown. Coming up for the crown. Coming for the crown. It's a shutdown.
All right, so what is Jurassic Park River Adventure? What makes it different than a regular river adventure? Why do I insist on asking questions in groups of 3?
well, let's stick to the clipboard and answering their questions.
That's a good call.
Like this one. Is this a coaster? No, you're thinking of Jurassic World's Velocicoaster. Jurassic Park River Adventure is a water thrill ride with a little twist at the end that makes it awesome for the entire family. Emphasis on water, thrill, ride.
Yeah. So I know it's a water ride, but what's it like? Okay, well, there are some parts that are very relaxed, while other parts are very loud. Then there's some parts that are super chill, while other parts are very ferocious. How do I explain this? Dylan?
I've been waiting for this one.
The boats are free floating, surrounded by 1.5 million gallons of water.
Then there's an 85-foot drop at a 55-degree angle.
And just when you think you're safe, we have a T-Rex.
So what's the story of this attraction? You're on a tour of Jurassic Park, and it's all good until you see a Parasaurolophus. Why always get the ones that are really hard to pronounce?
Oh, I gave the writer a churro a very long time ago, and it's working out pretty good.
Good to know. So when this Parasaurolophus knocks your boat off course, you're headed straight for the raptor containment area.
Okay, so let me guess.
This is the part of the ride where something goes wrong.
No, this is the part.
You were so preoccupied with whether or not you could, you didn't stop to think if you should.
No, I thought about it. Money question. Is there a drop? There is. An 85-foot plunge just like we talked about earlier, and personally, I think this is a great introductory attraction for those who are just getting their appetite for their thrills.
It really is. Ooh, is there a height requirement? Yes, there is. 42 inches, which means your little dinos can ride with the whole family. Plus, each boat can hold up to 25 people. Score!
Is there a child swap? There is. But if your little ones aren't up for riding it and still want a dino-themed experience that's made just for them, they should go check out Camp Jurassic right across the way.
There's a ride in there called Pteranodon Flyers, and it is awesome.
Speed it up a little bit. I'm really excited to ride here.
Oh, yeah, sure, totally. I'll go faster. Universal Express Pass. Yes, you can use it. Lockers. Yes, they have them, and you can bring most of your bags on the ride.
Is there an on-ride photo? Yes.
That's all you're gonna do?
Yes.
Oh, can you handle the next one, please?
Oh, yeah. Will I get wet if you... If we haven't made it clear, Jurassic Park River Adventure forecast calls for a pretty decent chance of getting wet.
All right, Jurassic Park River Adventure. I would say that Jurassic Park is in everyone's top 5 movies. This is quite peaceful.
Oh, he's cute.
Oh, look at that little guy. Hi. Oh, hello. Hey. Mama's always close to the baby. Oh, right out of your nose.
We're in the raptor containment area.
My mom always told me to avoid raptor containment areas. Does it say live raptor in there?
It does.
Okay, this is... I feel like we're not supposed to be in here. Oh. That doesn't sound good.
That doesn't sound good. Oh.
They have a T-Rex!
Yeah, they have a T-Rex.
Here we go. Woo! Other than the slight detour, I would say that was a lovely boat ride.
Oh, man, that was amazing.
Exactly. If that was a YouTube series, I would like and subscribe.
But it's not, but this is, so go ahead and do what Dylan said.
And don't forget to comment down below and let us know what ride you would like to see
Oh,
next.
and if you want to have more Jurassic World fun at Universal's Islands of Adventure, check out the Raptor Encounter.
And you can get up close and personal with our girl Blue.
Hey, want to ride again?
Let's ride. Check it out. 'Cause I'm coming for the crown. Coming for the crown. It's a shutdown.
I don't know, Mike. I don't think this one's working.
What? No, it's not for me. It's for the fans.